Hello, and welcome back to Web Creators. Today, I'll show you how to create stunning lip syncs fast. You'll animate character images in seconds using AI. A fun, easy way to upgrade your content. Whether you're an animator, YouTuber, or curious learner, this tool will amaze you instantly. So, without delay, I'm Kuratul Ain Shabir from Web Creators. Let's dive into the magic of AI.
Basically, what you're going to do in this video is that we are going to go to this URL section and we're going to search for lemonslice.com. Then you're going to scroll down and click on Start Creating. If you haven't already signed in, then please do, because this is an awesome lip sync generator that creates professional lip syncs in just a matter of minutes. So when you're done signing in, click on Upload, and then you can choose any image from your uploads and your computer, but I don't have that presently, so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go here. You can also choose one from character library, and you can also write a text to convert it to an image in this section. So if you don't want to write this text for reference and you just want the image to be ready. So if you're looking for such a video, then I've already created it. And what you're going to do is that click on the link in the description about the video and see it, watch it, and create it. It's an unlimited free image generator. So after watching this video, please do go over there. Now, for now, let's just go over here and I'm going to go for ChatGPT this time. I'm going to click over here and I'm going to tell it to create a talking AI avatar from is cute, tall, and professional. He has brown color hair. Yeah. The character image is 200 echoes. And then you can also add anything over here, but I'm going to go with this because I just need a simple prompt. So here it has done. Now we're just going to, sorry, I meant 300. Click on enter. And then it has created your prompt. Now what you're going to do is set your copy it from here, Control C, and then you're going to paste it. And to keep the aspect ratio to horizontal, you can also put it from the other options if you want it for TikTok and Instagram and whatsoever. But I'm basically using horizontal 16:9, and then you're going to click on generate image. Now you're going to go upwards, and there you go, our image has been created, although it looks a bit scary, but we'll do it. What you're going to do is, when you're done with that, you're going to click over here and you're going to scroll down. Now if you have already written your script or created it and whatsoever, you can paste it over here, but make sure that it is under 100 letters. If you don't have one and you're just trying it for reference, click on this, you get it. And from here, you can choose your voice on whatever you want. I am going to choose Amelia, and you're going to click on generate audio when you're done. Then you're going to scroll upwards and you're going to click on the
It is not the critic who counts. The credit belongs to the woman who is actually in the arena.
Okay, so this is done. Now, if you want to download this audio separately without the image talking, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on this and boom, it's downloaded. Now, next what you're going to do is that you're going to click over here and you can choose any option here. I will go with the default one, which is auto select mode. It means that the Lemonslice perfectly according to your script and your picture. Choose the best lip sync app for you. Now, if you're working with a free plan, then this option is not for you since it only gives us one image per for generation. So now when you're done with all these settings, you're going to click on generate video from here. Now in a second or two, you'll get a message over here, this one, submitted to queue. You scroll downward, you can see that this is in process of creating. I already created this image for reference, you can see this.
The best way to predict your future is to create it.
Yes, this is how awesome the lip sync works. And let's wait. This approximately takes up to 5 minutes and most of all 7 minutes. So meet you then. So now as you can see, our image has been generated. Let's see.
It is not the critic who counts. The credit belongs to the woman who is actually in the arena.
So as you can see, it's so as if there's a real person talking. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.